everyone, Jimmy from JB here. So you've just bought a brand new TV from your local JB and you're not sure what to do next. You know you've got to get it home, install it and set it up. But that 75-inch screen looks a little too big for your sports hatchback. But today, I'm going over some frequently asked questions on TV installation with JB. The first thing to do after buying a brand new TV is to get it home safely. The great news is that JB can deliver your TV directly to your home. It's carefully packaged and transported and delivered by a professional team, and if you need your TV urgently, same or next day delivery can be arranged depending on your area and availability. Once you've chosen the appropriate wall mount or table brace, we can install that for you too. Don't risk staring at a wonky TV on the wall, or worse, having it fall off. Our trained technicians are highly skilled in handling big, bulky and fragile products, with safety as our top priority. We take extra care during the installation to protect your products, premises, possessions, people and pets. Our professional team can set up connections and ensure everything is configured correctly. There is nothing worse than battling setup screens or HDMI inputs when all you want to do is relax. Our team is fully insured, quality assessed and professionally skilled in audio-visual setups and troubleshooting. We can connect up to 5 pre-existing plug-and-play components like soundbars or Blu-ray players to make sure you're all set for movie night. Having someone run you through the basics is the best way to start anything. Why should your new TV be any different? We cover all the basics, from showing you how to flick from free to air to streaming services like Netflix, Stan or Disney Plus with your subscription. And if the TV is compatible, why not let us help you pair up those Bluetooth headphones so you can watch your favorite shows without even waking the kids. We pride ourselves on our customer service and whole JB Hi-Fi experience, so even having our team remove big boxes and packaging material is a huge help and gives you the most satisfying experience. There is nothing worse than seeing empty TV boxes on your street for weeks on end. We can dispose of all that mess for you. We also offer an e-waste collection service to dispose of your old TVs. For more information on the variety of JB Hi-Fi delivery and installation services, please make sure to visit your local store and speak to our knowledgeable salespeople, or visit jbhifi.com.au.